go up here so you can't see a better shot. But come across Minnehaha. Well, I'm not going to see it. I don't get killed by lightning. Just sitting out here enjoying a beverage. And here it comes. I love watching the palms. There's the bamboo. This is the fishtail. Oh, the fishtail. Palms, fishtail, and foxtail. The two up there. I also have them in front of my house. I was going to go for a swim because it was so nice, but the rain has pushed me out every day for a while, a couple of days. It's Minnehaha over there. Oh, can't see from here. Okay, anyway. Minnehaha's in front of my house. Mineola is right over here. That's Orlando. I don't want to make you dizzy, but and that's Groveland. Good old Groveland. Good memories. Alright, let's see if this thing's going to do any more. That's Mineola, Lake Mineola. It's just rumbling, not really. That's Osceola Street, if you know Osceola here in Claremont. It's all around us. Mineola, Claremont, Groveland, Minnehaha. It seems like it's coming in from that side. I did have a weather bug, but I didn't pay attention. I just stepped outside to get the shot. Okay. Alright. Would have been a nice swim. Water's perfect. I have to get in while the time is good. When it gets cold, I can't do it. Can't do it. Alright, hope you enjoyed.